Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Siri not working on iPhone. So one of the reasons why this is happening, or why Siri not talking to you, or why you can't contact with Siri, go ahead to the settings, and what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead to accessibility, and you're going to be able right here to see multiple settings, and basically go back right here. I'm going to find something, it's called, I think, yeah, in the privacy and security, sorry, go ahead right here, privacy and security, and make sure that your location services is toggled on. So one of the reasons why this is this happening to you, because you haven't toggled on, or you haven't turned on the location services, so you need to actually do that. So another reason why this is happening, go back to the main settings and go ahead to the Siri in search, and basically make sure and test the Siri if you can listen to it, because one of the reasons why you want to know if Siri work is you need to know if you can listen for Siri by clicking listen for. Make sure that your Siri is on, so you can talk to Siri and ask her for requests, and that should fix your problem. So basically, if that did work out for you, go back to the main settings and then go ahead to the general, and then go ahead to the software update, and make sure that your iOS is fully updated to the latest version, so that problem could be fixed. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.